Welcome to this quick guide on how to edit a scheduled email in Gmail using your mobile device. If you've ever sent an email only to realize you need to make changes after scheduling it, don't worry. Gmail makes it easy to fix that. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to edit a scheduled email right from the Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile phone. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Scheduled. This is where all your scheduled emails are stored. Tap on Scheduled to see the list of emails you've scheduled to be sent later. Next, select the scheduled email you want to edit by tapping on it. Once the email opens, you'll notice an option called Cancel Send right on the screen. Tap that, and the email will immediately move from the scheduled folder to your drafts folder. This step is crucial because Gmail doesn't let you edit directly in the scheduled folder. Now that your email is in drafts, go back to the main menu and select Drafts. Open your email from there. You can now make all the edits needed, whether it's correcting a typo, adding more information, or even changing the recipient. After you've finished editing, you have 2 choices. If you're ready to send it right away, just tap the Send button as usual. Or, if you want to keep it scheduled for a later time, tap the 3 dots at the top right of the screen, select Schedule Send, and pick your new preferred date and time. And just like that, you've successfully edited a scheduled email in Gmail without any hassle. This new method gives you control and flexibility over your messages, so you can make sure everything is just right before it reaches your recipient. Thanks for watching.